Mario, you did it! I'm saved! Thank you so much!
Yes, Princess, you are free. Your nightmare is over.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Yes. How about a kiss?
What?
I say, how about a kiss, yes?
What? Why would I do that?
What? Why would you? I just saved your life.
Yeah, but I don't even know you.
I rescued you.
Yeah, but you expect... What kind of Samaritan are you? You rescued me just so you could get with me?
Jesus Christ, I'm not asking you to have sex with me. All I want is a kiss. Do you know what I went through to get here?
Ooh, you leaped a bunch of mushrooms. I'm so impressed.
Well, you're the one who got captured by mushrooms.
You know
how
what?
the
Don't
hell does
turn
that
this
even
around.
happen?
Don't flip this.
I'm not. You got kidnapped by something that goes on a salad.
Okay, it's a little more complicated.
And by the way, I did not just leap a bunch of mushrooms. There were also these turtle shell things I had to jump over, and that was really hard. And the only help I got was every once in a while a gold star would appear up above me, and I would jump up and touch it, and it would go let, and then that would help a little bit, and I feel a little better. But it was hard. I mean, the whole thing was really hard.
I'm not kissing you.
Okay, screw this, screw it. Hey, Dragon, you can have her.